A proposal to legalize Bitcoin aims to reshape Syria's financial future. Syria, a nation still recovering from the fall of the Assad government, is getting ready for a drastic financial reform, the legalization or Bitcoin, to combat inflation, stabilize the country's economy, and draw in foreign investment. The Syrian Center for Economic Research has put forth a bold plan that calls on the transitional government to embrace BTC and other digital currencies. The Syrian Center for Economic Research publishes a proposal for the transitional government to legislate Bitcoin in Syria and digitize the lira. Twitter.com them 8 GWFC following decades of war and economic destruction. The country is now confronted with the daunting task of reconstruction. To give the currency much-needed stability. The plan calls for digitizing the Syrian pound on the blockchain and backing it with BTC, gold, and dollars, along with encouraging business people to use Syria's energy resources for mining activities. It also aims to legalize BTC mining and trade under a thorough regulatory framework, guaranteeing stringent control to prevent monopolies and environmental damage. To streamline remittances and create chances for companies impacted by years of volatility, financial institutions, startups, and currency exchanges will be encouraged to integrate BTC into their offerings. The program highlights privacy and security as fundamental values and stresses Syrian residents' right to retain complete self-custody of their digital assets. The nation has numerous challenges in spite of these lofty objectives, including foreign sanctions, inadequate technical infrastructure, and the debts incurred by the previous government. The decentralized structure of BTC may enable Syria to evade established banking institutions, a tactic used by other countries under strict sanctions, such as North Korea and Iran. It's crucial to distinguish between the Syrian Center for Economic Research's proposal to legalize BTC and the contentious use of cryptocurrencies by terrorist groups like Hayat Tahrir al-Sham. HTS, previously affiliated with al-Qaeda, has reportedly utilized digital currencies to fund its operations, raising significant ethical and legal concerns. In contrast, the Syrian Center for Economic Research aims to establish a legitimate, transparent financial system under the supervision of the transitional government, intended to benefit the entire Syrian population rather than specific factions. With varying degrees of success, nations such as El Salvador and the Central African Republic have attempted to legalize BTC. El Salvador has been criticized for economic risks and debt issues despite seeing an increase in tourism and some international investment. In contrast, Syria's difficulties are made worse by geopolitical complications, necessitating substantial technology investments and international collaboration to succeed. The strategy might establish Syria as a leader in the Middle East in the adoption of cryptocurrencies if it is carried out, but it is doubtful if it will succeed given long-standing political and financial obstacles.